Hi guys, welcome back and happy new year. I hope you had great holidays. So if you're new, welcome. I hope you do stay. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting this channel. So I'm back. I know it's been the longest break, but I am back and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another blog. I have two online English teacher jobs that are available worldwide. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And also turn on the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. So the name of the company is Helen Dorothy Connect, and they're looking for enthusiastic online ESL teachers to join their team. So this position is perfect for someone who knows their way around the internet and also enjoys occasional computer games. So this company is very much established. They have 35 years of experience and they are recognized worldwide. So they have over 1,000 learning centers in 38 countries. You can either teach English offline or online, depending on your schedule. So let's scroll all the way down to check out more information. So here are the requirements. No previous experience needed. They provide full training. All you need is a bachelor's degree or a TFL certification. So speaking about a TFL certification, if you do not have one, I have a video that will assist you to get yourself one. All you have to do is to go to my uploads and you will see that video. So you need to be a native English speaker or English at mother tongue level with a neutral accent. You need to be comfortable using a computer and internet applications. And you need to have a desktop or laptop computer with 1 gig RAM, a camera and a microphone. And lastly, you need to have a stable internet connection. So they have a 4 steps application process. Firstly, you'll have to complete the registration form and agree to the terms and conditions. And number 2, you are going to run an internet speed test and upload all relevant certificates and documentation. And the third one, you are going to write a grammar test and you have to pass the grammar test. And then lastly, you are going to record or upload a short clip introducing yourself and record answers to several interview questions. So for this position, you will be teaching students between the ages of 3 and 15 years from all over the world in one-on-one and in group lessons of 4 to 6 students. So for this position, you are going to be paid on a monthly basis for all lessons taught in the previous month. So payment consists of a base pay, bonuses, and incentives for attendance and a good performance. So in terms of training, they say Connect teachers undergo a comprehensive training on Helen Thoran methodology and using Helen Thoran Connect platform. So you are going to be going on ongoing training and monthly webinars to keep you up to date. And with lessons preparation, they say you should review the tutorials for activities in your upcoming lessons and play around with the lessons to ensure you're comfortable with the lesson and its material. So this position is 100% remote and you are going to be working from home. So all they require or all they want is a quiet working environment with a stable internet connection, a good lighting and a neat background. So it can be home or any location of your convenience. So now let's check out the minimum number of hours you have to work a week. So here it says you need to open a minimum of 10 slots per week and then you can increase from there as much as you wish. And you are going to be paid via Pioneer online payment systems. And as you can see, guys, I did not cover all the questions here. the frequently asked questions, because some are repeating themselves. I only chose the most important ones. So if you feel like you need more clarity, you can go to the website and check it out. I will leave the link in the description box, but then to apply, you click on apply now and you will get a very small short form where you are going to fill in your first name, your last name, your contact number, email address, and a password, and then click on apply now. So let's move along to the second one. The next company is Bilingual Bridges. They are looking for online English teachers, and this is how their website look like. To get to where I am, you will scroll all the way down if you're not here, and you will see where it says careers, and you'll click on careers, and it will take you to this page. So here it says, if you are interested in teaching with Bilingual Bridges, we would love to hear from you. Please apply below. So this company or this position doesn't have a lot of information. Couldn't find the requirements and whatnot. But then here is the form. You are going to fill in your first name, your last name, your email, your location, and also the language you are proficient in. And the next question says, are you a certified teacher? So you will write the certificate you are holding. And the next one says, which grades and subject areas have you taught? So you will write the grades and subjects that you have taught. So up next is the number of teaching experience you have. So it's a drop down. You can select the number of teaching experience you currently have. But as you can see, 2 is the minimum number. So I'm guessing they're looking for a minimum of 2 years. So they're currently hiring for the below listed positions, which is 1 K to 12 French teacher, 3rd and to 5th grade bilingual reading teacher, and then there's a 3rd to 5th grade English reading teacher, 6th to 8th grade bilingual reading teacher, and then 6th to 8th grade English reading teacher. So you can select the ones you're comfortable teaching. You can select more than one. And then next is time zone or days or times you're available to teach. So there's Monday. So you are going to select the ones you're comfortable with. And then you will upload your CV and cover letter, then submit your application. Thank you so much for watching up to this far, and I hope you are going to go ahead and apply for this position. So if you are someone who wants to teach English online, either part-time or full-time, I'm always having such videos. All you have to do is to subscribe and turn on the post notification so you're notified every time I post a new video. And with regards to the TFL certificate, I do have a video with answers to the TFL certificate. I wrote the test on camera to assist people struggling to get certified. So if you're one of those, do not hesitate, go to my uploads, check the video out, and get yourself a TFL certificate. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.